Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we are in the technology part on this video. As if you, of course, are using a iPhone and iPad, there's 0 days that were actually found. Extremely important to update your devices. So the 0 days were apparently discovered by Google security team, and they have to do with a problem with an out-of-bounds memory error that happens when you go to a web page that might actually have the perfect code to create this problem. And of course, that means that once there, you can attack the system, take privileges, admin privileges, and do what you want on the device. So the affected devices are iPhone 8 and later, iPad Pro all models, iPad Air 3rd generation and later, iPad 5th generation and later, iPad Mini 5th generation and later, Apple TV HD and Apple TV 4K all models, and the Apple Watch Series 4 and later. So update your devices. It's extremely important. There's no news as to the fact that this is maybe exploited in the wild or not. There's no information about that, so we don't know if bad guys, hackers already have access and already do things with this flaw. But one thing for sure is that these are serious flaws that need to be fixed immediately. And this makes 0 days for Apple devices this year. So that's not a bad number, 20. Shows that every device, whatever company you have, whether it's an Apple device, a Windows device, a Linux device, they all have security flaws that need to be fixed regularly. It's extremely important because hackers out there just are searching for that, a way to exploit and to take advantage of all of this. So fix your devices by updating them. It's very important to do so. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.